Hi, this is Mrs. Jewett again. I am here to tell you about our third module, which is genetics. This is the third of 4 modules, so we are about halfway through the course now, which is awesome. You've been doing a great job. There's lots of work to be done in biology, and it's not an easy subject, so I'm really glad that you're still here and still watching these videos. Again, I'm Mrs. Jewett, as you have seen throughout the course already, and of course, you're always welcome to send me any questions that you have. If you click on your inbox over at the side of the screen, then you can send me any questions that you have so that I can help you with anything that you might be struggling with in genetics. In this unit, we're going to kind of pick up, similar to where we left off in the cell processes unit, with meiosis, which is a different type of cell division, and it lets us create gametes, which are sex cells. So those gametes then fuse with others to make offspring. And those offspring then inherit the traits of their parents so that those traits can be passed down to the next generation. And those traits often get passed down in really specific ways. So we're going to talk about a couple different types of genetics. The first one is Mendelian genetics, and that's discovered by Gregor Mendel, and he figured out one particular way in which genes are passed down. It's the most simple way, and so we learn that first, and then we go into non-Mendelian genetics, which is where there's more complicated ways that things are inherited. So you'll learn about lots of different ways that you can get traits from your parents or pass them down to your own children. We also then talk about different ways in which we map out those genes. We look at things like karyotypes, which is a picture of chromosomes, or a pedigree, which is kind of like a family tree, to trace how genes are passed down. So at the end of this unit, you will have tons of information about your genes and the genes that you got from your parents, and it's really interesting and exciting information. So thank you so much for watching the video. I'm really glad that you were able to see this. And again, let me know if you have any questions. Have an excellent day.